What's up, YouTube? This is Brian Pfeiffer, marketingmeathead.com, and today I'm going to tell you what to do when your ads get disapproved. All right, welcome back. So if you're new to this channel, go ahead and subscribe, bang that notifications bell. We talk about making money online on this channel, Amazon FBA, Shopify, affiliate marketing, anything you can do to make money online, you're at the right place. So please subscribe, go ahead and like this video if you like the content, share it, and leave me a comment below if this was helpful. All right, so here's the deal. I wake up Saturday morning and I get this nice little email from Facebook. Your ads are approved after closer review. So I've actually had these ads up and running for well over a month. And the company I own, one of the companies, the websites is bachelorvegas.com. And I had these ads running, they're retargeting ads. So basically when somebody comes to the website, I have a pixel. And you can always do that just by taking a look at the website here. Go to bachelorvegas.com, and this is my website. And then there's a little Chrome extension we use here. You can go into your Chrome extensions, and it's called the Facebook Pixel Helper. And you click on that, and you'll notice here I actually have a couple Facebook pixels on this particular website. Okay, so that's how you check that. Anyway, so Bachelor Vegas, here's the issue. These ads were disapproved. The ads have been running for over a month, and they actually had pretty good relevance scores, 10, 9, 8 across the board. They've been getting some clicks. We've been getting some new subscribes to the Messenger bot, and got a couple quotes out of them, even people that have returned to the Messenger from the website. And I'll show you the full setup here in a second. And yeah, I mean, I put some pretty girls in here. I put a bachelor group in here. And actually this ad, no surprise, was performing the best, I believe. I'll show you the numbers here in a second. And this one was doing pretty well as well. But they all actually were all doing pretty decent. And like I said, I was getting some nice results. In fact, we can go into ManyChat here. And you can look at the little page I made. I'll show you guys exactly the whole system. I did an actual video on this, on the whole setup, but in case you haven't watched it, or if you're new to the channel here, ManyChat obviously is a chat bot you can use with Facebook, and would go into one of my many pages here. I have, I don't know, probably 20 pages that have ManyChat on it. There's a free version, which is all I'm using on this particular page, and there's also a paid version. I do only have one account with the paid version, by the way. All right, you go into Growth Tools here, and notice here I had a landing page. Well, I've had 133 impressions, and 5 people opted into my list from this exact retargeting campaign. So what happened is basically, if you look at this website, Bachelor Vegas, notice I have this strip clubs up here, okay? And somehow somebody either complained or one of my competition turned me in, and I was running everything to this ManyChat landing page, which is just a simple landing page. There's a video of me here, video of me talking. If you play it for a second, you'll see me. There I am. And don't say anything about bachelor parties, anything about things. Just subscribe to the Messenger. Very plain Jane. Once they submit, they get this thing, and they reply to the messenger, and nothing out of the top. They just get a nice message once they're in. But it is bachelor parties, and people associate bachelor parties with strippers and adult type stuff, and let's just leave it at that. And they didn't like it. Okay, so Facebook sent me this thing. I appealed the ads being rejected, and of course I got this saying, here's what's preventing your ads from being approved. Looks like the business model is promoted against the Facebook advertising policies related to certain products. We won't allow the creation of any further ads for this product. So basically telling me I'm out of luck for advertising for Bachelor Vegas on Facebook. Now, one of the things I could do as an affiliate marketer is go into another business manager, into another ad account, and try creating this all again for this particular fan page. Because remember, I have a nice fan page built up on Facebook. I'll show you guys that here in a second. Here's my Facebook fan page, and then I have a nice, also have a nice Instagram built up. And it's just unfortunate, when I get somebody to land on my site, that site gets quite a bit of traffic. In fact, we can look here on the Google Analytics, and you'll see here, the site gets a lot of views, 218 page views. I believe that's like just today. So it there's 4 people on the site right now. So it actually gets a lot of traffic. The fan page is actually pretty nice. We put a lot of time into it. We've built up the amount of likes. This is it here, and you'll see it takes a little slow here on my computer tonight. I don't know what's going on with the internet. Anyway, put a nice cover on there. It kind of matches the website. It's uniform. When somebody lands on the old website, it kind of looks the same. The whole branding is there. I have a decent amount of likes, over 2,000. Of course, I got my Instagram here. I built this up to like over 5,000. Let's see what we got on here. 5,300. Got a decent little YouTube channel. It's got a decent amount of followers. We had a video go really viral on the YouTube, and it's over 2,000 subscribers now from that one video. The one video, this one, check this out if it shows. It doesn't really show the amount of views this one's had, but it's like over 100,000 views, so it went really viral. Obviously, we got a Pinterest. We got a nice Pinterest. We got a nice Twitter, and I even got Trustpilot reviews on here. You can actually put all this stuff in through like a widget. I use a company called WooBox. I actually did a video on how to set all this up if you're interested in seeing how to set up the Twitter, the Pinterest, and there's the Twitter. You can see it looks real nice, decent amount of followers, and then the Pinterest is growing nicely as well. There it goes. So I got all these, growing. So it's like, when somebody lands on the website and then I retarget them with that fan page, Bachelor Vegas, and then the Instagram, they're getting ads. They're seeing this nice uniform brand. So unfortunately, they're not allowing me anymore to advertise on Bachelor Vegas. So what do I do? That's the question. As an affiliate, you're going to run into this. You're going to run into ads getting disapproved. You're going to run into account bans. You're going to run into business manager bans. And what you do as an affiliate is you have to be resilient. You have to figure out other ways to work around situations like this. Okay, you have to overcome adversity. I call this overcoming adversity. Anytime you own a business, you're an entrepreneur, and you want to be an affiliate marketer, you want to be an Amazon FBA, you want to be in Shopify, you're going to run into stuff like this. You're going to run into issues that are beyond your control, and you're going to have to figure out ways to work around those issues. So what I did is I pulled an audible. I woke up Saturday. I was kind of irritated. I was like, God, this sucks. I had this nice little campaign running. I was getting some traffic, and it was just good for my brand. And then so what I did is I went in and I was like, okay, well, what can I do? And I started thinking, I'm like, all right, well, I still have, in this ads manager here, you'll see I have my other websites here. I have Surreal Nightlife, Vegas VIP Services, and another one called Bachelorette Vegas. All those are still approved, and all those ads are still running, even though I do have strip clubs on these two, or Surreal Nightlife and Vegas VIP Services. For whatever reason, they haven't been flagged yet. So I'm still running on these three. So I'm like, okay, well, I've gotten away with it on 3 sites. One's kind of banned, probably because the word Bachelor's in there and somebody complained. And so what I did is I went into, and I'm like, okay, what else do I have? I looked at my pages, and I started like going through and thinking if I had any other pages that might work, that I could still run the retargeting ads. At least we know the people that are coming to Las Vegas are coming to Las Vegas because they've been on the Bachelor Vegas website and they're poking around. So we've pixeled them, and like, those people are for sure coming. Now I'm not going to be able to hit them up with Bachelor Vegas ads, but I can hit them up with something else. I can hit them up with an ad. I know they're coming to Vegas, so maybe I can get 1 or 2. I'm only spending like like $3 a day on these retargeting ads, and I'm hitting everybody because the audience is fairly small. Okay, so $3 a day times maybe 30 days in a month, that's like $90, and sometimes it doesn't even spend all the budget, so maybe $75. If I get 1 lead out of that, that's plus $300. Okay, so it's worth it. So I had this other company, Vegas VIP Services, and I remember I actually had 2 fan pages for Vegas VIP Services. So what I did is I took the secondary fan page, which is this one here, the white with the white logo. I have one with the black logo, and I have it all connected to a different website, but it still says Vegas, and it is VIP Services, so it's kind of the same, but it doesn't have that word Bachelor in it. So what I did is I just, it's got, I got reviews, I got the Pinterest, I got the Twitter on here, not the Bachelor Vegas, but for the other website, for the other company. And what I did is I just went into the old ads manager here and started playing around. And what you're going to see here is I went ahead and just changed all the, instead of, because they were clearly like, you're not going to be able to run Facebook ads with Bachelor Vegas. So what I did, take a look at one of the ads, I went ahead and modified it, and made it Vegas VIP Services. And I had another Instagram my business partner had. It's only got about 1,700 followers, but we changed the name on it. It used to say Vegas Bachelor Parties or something like that. We just changed the name to Las Vegas VIP Services. So now I got a working Instagram, a working fan page, and I just took everything out of here. I put a new ManyChat URL. I used the secondary one, which is the Vegas VIP Services second page, the white logo, I call it, so I can kind of keep them separate. And notice here, I just took the exact same page, and now I've gotten 21 visits to it. I haven't got any opt-ins yet, but now it just says Vegas VIP Services, but I modeled the color to match Bachelor Vegas, and notice when they submit, it's the same color, but it just says Vegas VIP Services. So basically within like an hour, I sat down and I just redid all these ads, and I changed them all over to the new company here, Vegas VIP Services, Vegas VIP Services ManyChat. I just changed the Facebook page and changed the Instagram, and everything else stayed the same. And I went ahead and published them, and they got accepted. So that is really what I did to get rid of the ads. But the moral of this story is, obviously this isn't an affiliate campaign, but it is a retargeting campaign, and it is Facebook ads, which a lot of you are running or learning to run. The moral of the story is, if you get punched in the face by Facebook, you need to go and try to figure out and be resilient another way, okay? Because I just spun it with a little bit different angle. It's just now Vegas VIP Services. It's not Bachelor Vegas. I'm up and running, and my customers that are visiting Bachelor Vegas are now getting retargeted, at least with something, okay? So I hope you guys enjoyed today. Hope you learned something. I'm Brian Pfeiffer, the Marketing Meathead. We'll talk to you later. Thank you.